So, I don't like squash because it's really squishy and gross and stuff. I don't like old people because this smells freaking weird. I don't know.
Well, I love my grandma.
Well, she smells weird, probably.
No.
Yeah.
She smells nice.
No, she doesn't.
Yeah, like perfume.
Let's smell at this.
No, I just give her hugs. No.
I just give it to her.
No, yeah.
She's like... Okay.
Hi. Okay. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Nadia.
Oh, ice cream's pretty good too.
Dada. You going Dada? Say shut up. Say shut up.
Yeah, okay.
All right.